Yeah, another red. Alright guys, Chris from one more cast. So we just launched for the tournament. It's about 6:35. Didn't want to waste any time stopping and pointing the camera at me. I wanted to try to hurry up, get to the spot as quick as possible. So I'm heading out to my first spot. Went to a captain's meeting last night. Really cool. Met quite a few people that I watched their YouTube channel. So I met some people, and I actually had some people come up to me telling me they watched my channel, which was pretty cool. I mean, it's always nice to meet new anglers, but hopefully the trend follows the way I think it's going to follow, the same as yesterday. And hopefully we can get a good slam going. I'm gonna try to shoot to get a slam within the first 4 hours. That's about what I've been averaging. So we got our rulers last night for the fish. The captain's meeting was fun. I had a good time, and I'm gonna be excited to go to the awards later after the tournament's over with, you know, and talk about people's tactics and stuff like that. But I'm gonna get out here. I'm just gonna treat it like a normal fishing day. Come out here and try to do what I do. Looks like a little trout. Not what we're going for. Yep. Grouper, not the fish we need. A trout. Trout. Pretty sure it's not an upgrade though. Yeah, it's not. It's no upgrade. Watch this. I should hook up right here.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Paddle tail? It's a grouper, but still. Oh, this is a good trout. Might be an upgrade. I don't know. $15, no upgrade. $15, no upgrade. Yeah, this guy's no upgrade. Is that one bigger?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, it's 15, 16.
Mine's 14.
Yeah. Another grouper.
Grouper?
Yeah. Another damn grouper. Hate treble hooks. I literally hate treble hooks. Man, they're killing me today. Trout, but I don't think it's an upgrade. Oh, Puffer got it first, and then he got it right after. I don't think he's an upgrade though. Nope. Doesn't matter now. Big old lizard fish. Big old lizardfish. It's not an upgrade. Little guy. There we go. Catching them. A lot of fish. Dang, another puffer fish. Alright, got another trout, but it's not an upgrade. All these trout today have been real small, about 14 inches or so. There we go. Man. Alright. Nice area, but look at this, another one. I'm literally changing out my bait every 5 seconds. Every 5 seconds. It's like 100 stingrays over here right now. 2,000 puffer fish, it feels like. Yeah, he's not an upgrade. Yeah, he's not an upgrade, so we're not too worried about it. It's just like a grouper or a bigger trout. Oh, it's a lizard fish and he's just foul hooked. It's a big lizard fish though. Oh, man. There we go. All these trout are like 15, 14 inches. I don't think he's an upgrade anyways. He's small. And I got hit by a puffer again. Oh, this feels like a jack. Is that another trout? There he goes. There's no point of measuring a fish if he's not going to be a bigger fish, I feel. Boat just was on that flat, running his motor down it. Then we got some people over here paddleboarding down the flat. Huh? There's a bunch of tiny. There is a bigger one right there by you. $15. Dude.
I don't know what I'm at. I upgraded my trout.
You did?
Yeah.
16? No, about the same size, 15 inches. Man. This is the number today. 15. It might be just over 15. There goes a whole bunch of mullet. $15 and a half, almost 16. Oh, it's all right. I watched him eat it. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I got my red. Yeah, another red. This guy might be bigger. It's not an upgrade, it's only 15 and a half, so we're gonna go ahead and let him go. 15 and a half. All right, so I just hooked this red, but there's two reds with him. There's another red with him. Look, see, there's another one. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. He's not an upgrade, but look, there's two reds sitting there. There's one right there, then the one I just got. So there's another red. Got another red. All right. So that's 3 reds and a bunch of trout. Still a really good day of fishing. This guy's not big enough to measure. I'll let him go. Small trout. It's not an upgrade. Oh shoot, there's a redfish right here. Let him go. What's up guys, Chris from One More Cast. So I'm doing an outro now because by the time we were done fishing we had to rush. It was an hour and 45-minute drive pretty much to get to the award ceremony. So we just got back from the award ceremony. This is the shirt I got from the tournament, but we caught a lot of fish today, but the fish that we caught weren't very good quality fish. I mean, but I have it pulled up here. So out of 89 people, I actually ended up placing 37th after everything was done. So I mean, out of that many people, I did better than about half, so that's good. You know, that makes me happy. It was my first tournament ever, and you know, I was really excited for the tournament. And it's not that we didn't catch a lot of fish, because you guys will see in the video we caught a lot of fish. I mean, I caught 3 reds within, I mean, 10 minutes of each other. I just couldn't get a snook today. For some reason, snook weren't eating, they weren't biting. Talked to a bunch of people at the award ceremony, and a lot of people were saying the same thing. Like my average size trout today was 15 inches. I couldn't break 15 inches. I mean, I think I got one that was like 15 and a half, but when I put him on the board, he slipped off and didn't even get a good weight measure on him, so I just kind of let it go. But I mean, the quality of fish was just terrible today, but we did catch a lot of fish. We had fun out on the water. We caught, you know, we had a blast out there, and this was really fun. But I'm loaded up because I'm ready to go out tomorrow. My little brother, he came down. He actually was in the tournament also. He actually placed one below me, so I beat him by a half an inch. But we're loaded up because we're both gonna go out tomorrow, and we're gonna go try to get some reds over at Ponce. I think this time of the year they should be there pretty heavy, so hopefully we can get to some nice reds. He really wants to catch a nice red. The ones we caught today were smaller. I mean, yesterday when I went out, my average trout size was about 18 inches, 19 inches. I mean, I was catching some big trout yesterday. I mean, that red I caught was 22 inches, I think, 22, 23 inches. Forgot how big it was, but I mean, my total inches yesterday was 60 inches, and my total inches today was like 33. So it was a huge difference of fish quality, but that just goes to show that every day is different. I mean, yesterday it was nice and cloudy, there was a little bit of overcast, and today was bright and sunny, bluebird skies. I mean, it's definitely just a rough day to get quality fish for us today. But I also gave myself a couple handicaps. I didn't use any bait at all. A lot of people in the tournament that I know of did use bait. I restricted myself to using artificial only, just because I feel like if I'm using bait, I'm cheating myself. I'm an artificial guy. I solely love artificial fishing. I'll use bait here and there, but if I do a tournament, I really want to do it the way I love to fish, which is artificial. And I also didn't get out of my kayak today. I limited myself by saying I wasn't going to wade, so I didn't wade at all. I love wading, you guys see. I'm always jumping on my kayak and walking some flats, but I wanted to stay in my kayak, and I wanted to use artificial only. So I gave myself a couple handicaps. If I use bait, would I have caught bigger fish? I don't know, but I wanted to know that I did it the way I love to fish, which is artificial. But hope you guys enjoy this video. Like I said, first tournament, I think it's pretty good to do about halfway of what everyone else did. I know a lot of the guys that I was fishing against were really good anglers. A lot of them I actually watch you know, every week on YouTube. I mean, I talked to some of them on Instagram. I see a lot of them on Instagram. It was nice finally meeting a lot of these people that I've only talked to through social media, and it was a lot of really nice people there. So I mean, what it is, it's just we got this thing of fishing, and it brought us all together, and we all love doing it. But I'm gonna get out of here. Remember guys, there's always time for one more cast.